keep pulling this up so that it's very apparent I am wearing a shirt. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am doing a haul of everything that I've purchased from ads and recommendations and just things I've seen other people buying during this social distancing, isolation, quarantine, lockdown. I saw someone say house arrest, whatever you are calling it, we're all going through it right now. So I feel like, you know, to an extent, like some of us can relate on this whole, maybe shopping is how some of us are trying to get through this, but if you guys want to see all the things that I picked up, then just stay tuned. So these are the first things. These are 5 of the e.l.f. lip lacquers. I bought these with the intent that I would do like a lip swatching video. Then they got here and I was like, now why would anyone want to see a lip swatching video of glosses? But then I uploaded that video recommending my favorite glosses and you guys seem to like that. So maybe you would want to see a video, you know, swatching some affordable lip glosses. So let me know in the comments down below, because if you guys want to see that, then I will do that video. If not, then I'm letting you know in this video that I bought them. I'm interested in this clear one. It's giving me beauty supply vibes, like those old days. So I bought this. This is one of the items that I purchased after getting it for an ad on Instagram. I don't remember the exact name of this bag. Maybe I still have the... No, I don't have the slip. So I'll have it up here on the screen. Oh wait, maybe it's on here? Yes, this is the Coach Claire crossbody bag. I saw the ad and I was just like, I need to have it. And then I went on Twitter and I was like, do I need it? Twitter said no, I don't need it, so of course I bought it. And let me just take off the wrapping so you can see what the whole thing looks like. So this is what it looks like. It has a chain strap and then there's just the bag. I thought this was so adorable. I still think it's so adorable having it in person. The only thing is, I thought it would be smaller, I guess. I don't know, I guess I was thinking like mini crossbody. I guess you could still say this is pretty mini, but maybe I was thinking square instead of rectangle. Either way, I have no complaints. I'm here for it. The next thing I got is this curling iron from Vivid and Vogue, and I bought it because it's an automatic curling iron. 1, I hate doing my hair, and 2, I am lazy. So curling iron that curls for you, I was here for it. I have used this already. Actually, the lip gloss recommendation video, the hair that I was wearing in there, I curled with this iron. It definitely is going to take, you know, a couple uses to get used to and to understand like how to do it. I think I did okay with that one, but you know, you just slip the hair in and then turn it on, push the button, and it rotates for you. So once I get it down, then it'll make life so much easier when it comes to actually curling my hair. Of course, they fell out onto the floor, but it also came with hair clips and a comb. So okay, I feel like that was affordable. Maybe somewhere in the $30. So I bought an adult coloring book. I was gonna get the adult swearing, I don't remember exactly what it's called. Basically, it's just a coloring book of swear words for adults. And then I saw this one. It's the a Snarky adult coloring book, and I feel like, yeah, even though I probably do swear a lot, I feel like Snarky is more on brand for me. So I went ahead and I got that one. Like, you just look at the cover and then you open it. I already started, most of these things I've already like started using. You open it up and the first one is the cover, which I'm working on slowly. But you know, it's just something I bought for those moments where it's like, I've watched everything that there is to watch on Netflix. I don't want to film something. I don't want to talk to someone. Just calming, I guess. Just some type of way to relax. I don't know, but I bought it. I've been using it. It's been helping. So there's this here. Let me open up a random page like this here. I live in a world of fantasy, so keep your reality away from me. Some people are a little too far away from reality, but you know, nice little balance. If you've been looking at this neon green box the whole video, I bought Crocs, and I am proud to say that. I was on Twitter, again, some of them I bought from ads, some of them I saw because other people posted that they purchased it. I was on Twitter and this girl posted a shoe selfie in her Crocs, and I was like, wait a minute, I like those, so I bought them. They are these snake print Crocs. Let me tell you something. say what you want to say about Crocs. These are probably the most comfortable shoe I have ever purchased before. This isn't a size 8. The only thing I would say is I kind of wish I had gotten my original. Well, okay, so they didn't have half sizes, so it was either a 7 or an 8. I'm a 7.5, and you know, because of the shoe and because it has this strap that comes behind your ankle, I worried, you know, if I got the 7 that like this might cause an issue behind my ankle, but having it now, I kind of wish I had gotten the 7. They're not too big, but like these are definitely like put thick socks on and then you'll really feel fully comfortable. But even without socks on, listen, join the Croc team, okay? Do it. So again, while scrolling on Twitter, I saw a tweet that said, what is that conditioner that you guys use to make your wigs soft again and pretty much like reinvent them? And someone said it is this. This is the silicone mixed hair treatment. So I went ahead and I purchased that. I am probably going to wash a wig today. Actually, no, not today, because I have to edit this video and then upload it soon. So I'll be trying that out to see if that works, but I purchased this off that tweet. The next few things are part of a second Sephora order that I made during the sale. The first is this Tough as Nails Deluxe Manicure Kit. I saw Andrea say she was going back to get this, and I was like, ooh, a nail kit, let me go back and get that too. So it's a nail kit to do your nails. This is what comes inside. I need it. I'll show you a second thing that I purchased, that using the two together, I'm finally going to get my nails together this weekend. So I got that during the sale. Let me put that down over here. It's gonna fall. And then I also got the Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. So if you guys saw the haul video that I did, I said I purchased the Smashbox Glow Primer instead of this one just because I want to try that one. But then I tried it and I was like, kind of still want to try the Tatcha one. So if you guys don't remember, 2 years ago now, 1 year ago, I don't know, Tatcha came out with the silk canvas primer, and then this year they released the liquid version. So I'm gonna try the liquid version and see if I like it like I liked silk canvas. And then I also got the new Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Powder. So if you have oily skin, you've probably seen people recommend the Veil primer for oily skin, and I have that. I like it. I would recommend it. It's not cheap. So when they came out with the soft focus setting spray, I was like, the setting spray does what the primer does, but in a spray, I'm intrigued. So I bought that as well. So I'll be doing like a testing new makeup video soon to see if I actually do like these things. So to go with the manicure kit, I got press-ons just from Amazon. These are the Kiss Fantasy Amazing Gel Look. You guys can see it's like a marble. Ooh, can you see? Ooh. It's like a marble set with mauve. Say mauve nails. So if you guys are new here and didn't know, your girl works out 6 days a week. I was on Amazon and I think this was like one of the old people who like this also liked this type of thing. This is the Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer, and I feel like there's a difference between this and a waist trainer. This I feel like is just supposed to like make you sweat, where like waist trainers, they're more like waist trainers, you know, for people who are trying to shape that area. I like this. I feel like this works. I've been using this, just stuffed it back in for this video. If you're looking for something like that that's going to make you sweat, this is going to make you sweat. And it also still gives that, especially with how tight you close it, you know, training for your waist and shaping it. So I like this. If you're looking for something like that, I would recommend it. Just saying. And while talking about working out, let me tell you about the one thing that I did purchase that didn't arrive in time for me to film this video. And even if it was here in time, I'm pretty sure it's like too big for me to physically show you unless I got up. It is the Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Assist Row and Ride Trainer for squat exercise and glutes workout. I saw it, I watched the video demo on it, and it looks pretty easy. Like, it's basically just telling like, this is how you're supposed to do squats. And I already have a bike here, so I figured like, why not just get this and, you know, kind of make your own gym at home. So I ordered this. I'm waiting for it to come. It said arriving on a certain day, and then that day came and it didn't come. And then the next day they were like, we're gonna let you know when it ships. And it was like, if it didn't ship yet, I was supposed to come yesterday, but I'll keep you guys updated on when it does come, if I like the fact that I bought it. But I'm letting you guys know in this video that I did in fact buy it. So this next thing I actually didn't buy during lockdown. I bought it for my birthday, which was in February, but I never showed it to you guys. And at this point, where am I going to wear it where I could show it? So why not add it in this video? It is from the designer Cell. I follow her on Instagram. She's like a, you know, a fashion designer with her own site, stuff like that. I've seen her stuff on like Lori Harvey, Fashion Bomb Daily. So I feel like she's like a beginner, like a new, not beginner, like a new to the scene, higher end. I don't know where you would place her, but basically I bought shoes from her site. They're in a size 8, and I was talking about them on Twitter the other day, and I described them as the butt plug shoe because look at the heel of the shoe. But this is what they look like. I am loving this whole square toe trend that's going on right now, so I had to finally get a pair. And then they just got these straps here. This is a very comfortable shoe. Like, you know, you can see the bottom. I was walking around in them. They're a very comfortable shoe. They're not that high, at least in my opinion, they're not that high. So if you were interested in the butt plug shoe, I would recommend them. Where we're going to wear them to, I don't know, but I would recommend them. And the last thing I have for you all, if my manager is watching this, she is not going to be a happy camper, is a projector. I was on the phone with her and I actually don't remember what I had called her. I had called her to talk me out of buying something else, and whatever, I don't remember what it was. That should tell you how much of a problem this has become for me. While I was on the phone with her, her husband was like, you don't need that. What you need is a projector. And I thought about it because they have 4 children and they have a projector. So the children were watching a movie on a projector, and that's what she was doing when I called. She was making popcorn for them to watch the movie. So he was like, you need a projector. So I thought about it and I was like, you know, I'm over here binging all these shows on Netflix. I just watched Euphoria. I just watched The Kissing Booth, and Sierra Burgess, whatever her name was, is a loser. The Kissing Booth, it's cringy, okay, but I liked it. I would recommend sitting through that type of cringe. But the Sierra is a loser one, like, I was upset that I watched it when I finished watching it. Like, I wanted to stop watching 5 minutes in, but I was like, you know what, I started, let me finish. And when I finished, I was like, why didn't you listen to yourself? So since I'm watching all these things, why not get a projector and watch it on the big screen wall, however you're going to use it. This is the Crosstour video projector. You can hook this up to your phone, computer, all that stuff, because I don't have a TV. So I will use this and let you guys know how that goes. But that is, yeah, that's, I don't believe I'm waiting on any other packages. Don't quote me. Actually, no, that's a lie. I am waiting on one other package, but that has, you know what, it's not here, so let's just act like I didn't just say that. But that is it for all the things that I am hauling in this video. I feel like I'm content. I don't foresee doing any more shopping because, like, at this point, like, what else do I need? I'm gonna try to stick to that. But let me know in the comments down below, which every time I ask this question on Twitter, people start saying that they bought interesting things, and that's how I end up buying more things. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys have purchased during this lockdown, what you might be looking to purchase, if I intrigued you with this video, anything you saw in here that you might want to buy. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.